This is Let's Talk Big, the Big Read, with Jane Berger and Jen Hazel. The Owens Community College Campus Read is taking place now and throughout the semester, with the goal of bringing awareness of different perspectives through books. The Campus Read book is What My Bones Know by acclaimed journalist Stephanie Foo. It's the story of her reckoning and healing by investigating the little understood science behind complex PTSD and how it's shaped her life. Here, sharing their insight about the book, What My Bones Know, is Owens Community College Director of Library Services, Jane Berger, and Professor of English, Jen Hazel.
Welcome back, everyone, because this is the first episode of the spring semester.
2023.
Can't believe we're already here, but you know what that means, Jane, right?
Yes, our author is coming.
What date is she coming?
She's coming in April, the 27th.
So anyway, we want to give you an awesome preview about what is going to be happening this semester. We have, of course, our Bookmark Sale, and we'll slow down and give you some dates here in a little bit. We have a Reiki meditation, which Jane is going to talk about here in a few minutes. We have confronting biases. We have a trauma workshop. We're going to have a human library. We are going to have a workplace mental health approach. We have an art exhibit that you can be a part of. We have the reception for that art exhibit. We're going to have a discussion on PTSD. And then, of course, we're capping off with the author visit.
Yep.
So let's get started. You want to tell us about that Reiki meditation?
I do. We are doing this in partnership with one of our partners, Way Public Library. It is some meditation. We could all use some meditation. It is happening February 6th from 3:30 to 4:30 at Way Public Library. And I have never done it. Jen and I will be there. So it will also be perhaps a little entertaining and a lot of meditating and relaxing and just calming your energy level, which I think after the hustle bustle of the holidays, we all need to do a little bit of a mental check to slow down and listen to our bodies. So you have to register for that online. You can call the library. You can go right to Way Public Library's website for more information, or as always, you can check out our Big Read website where the information will be there with a link, I believe.
Yes,
to
that website
the registration.
Address for you is owens.edu/humanities/read. Owens.edu/humanities/read.
This is a free event, so that should take some pressure and stress off of you right there. So come and join us. Great way to just sort of start the semester off and the doldrums of winter and our gray days in Ohio. This will certainly give you a little bit of mind and body relaxation. So
Gray days in Ohio. Every day has been gray. Since every day is gray.
I know.
It's been a lot this year.
Now there's a plus to have some snow because it at least reflects up and it looks a little brighter.
Right?
I love snow.
But anyway, not to take us too far off the path. So wonderful. Please come and join us at that event and help us support our supporters. So Jane, can you tell us a little bit about the bookmark sale we have coming up?
Absolutely. So we will be selling bookmarks. They are very cool and very informative. On one side, it's the graphic of our book with Stephanie Foo. Flip side gives you a QR code as well as lists all of the events that we will have in the spring semester. The best news is you buy a bookmark, you get a book for free, a hardcover book of the Big Read, free of charge with the purchase of a bookmark. Bookmarks are $17. Cash or check made out to Owens Foundation. They can be purchased either at the Toledo or Findlay campus libraries or in Founders Hall in the main office. Any information you would need beyond that, again, go to our Big Read website, and Jen always has that website address on the tip of her lips.
It is. Here it is. Owens.edu/humanities/read. Owens.edu/humanities/read. I think that's about that's about it for the day because we've got to get a going, get a reading, and get a talking. So on behalf of Jane Berger and myself, Jen Hazel, keep talking big.
Join us again for Let's Talk Big, the big read with Jane Berger and Jen Hazel.